Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the Google account that owns the Maps profile. This ensures you can edit or remove content. Once signed in, open Google Maps in a desktop browser because the full profile and settings are easiest to access there. Make sure two-step verification is available in case Google asks for extra confirmation. This prevents unexpected lockouts. Now click the menu or your avatar to access your contributions and profile editing options, so you can begin removing or disabling profile elements. Next, go to your contributions and select Profile to see what's publicly visible. This is how Google surfaces your reviews, photos, and lists. Once there, delete individual reviews and photos you want removed, because clearing contributions often is required before fully removing a profile. Use Edit Profile to change or clear your display name, bio, and profile photo. Hiding identifying details can be a quicker alternative to full deletion. Make sure to save changes and confirm each deletion when prompted. For final steps, either disable public profile visibility in map settings, or, if you truly want everything gone, delete the Google account that hosts the profile. Note that deleting the account removes all Google services. Once you disable visibility or delete content, verify changes by viewing your profile in an incognito window. If you don't see the result immediately, wait 24 to 72 hours because caching and indexing can delay updates. Troubleshooting tip: if items persist,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.